fish sticks?
No!
I thought you liked fish sticks.
I didn't see any fish. Oh, I told you this already.
What?
No fish.
Then why do they call it fish sticks?
That's a different kind of. That's different.
They're called fish sticks, so they've got fish in them.
No fish.
Hey, don't yell at me.
There's no fish, Mom. I didn't see any.
You didn't see any?
Nope.
Maybe it's cooked up in it.
Nope.
No? Well, I don't understand why they call it fish sticks then. Do you? Am I making you mad?
Yeah.
Why?
For saying the same thing over and over.
Sorry.
I'm never going with you again.
Oh, you love Mommy. So what do you want? Pizza instead? Okay. So now do you love me?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm a little mad at you.
Just a little?
Mm-hmm.
I can handle a little. Okay. Are you tired?
No.
I am.
Cook my pizza. And then you can go to bed.
Oh, okay. But you have to have your meds first.
I know. So I'm saving some of this. Okay?
Okay.
Just up to here. Oh, look.
Yeah, you
Up
shouldn't
to
be.
here.
You shouldn't be drinking soda at bedtime.
Mom,
What?
why?
Why? Well, because you'll pee the bed,
Mom!
and you have diabetes.
I don't have diabetes.
The doctor said so.
I don't care about the doctor. I don't care about it.
You don't?
No.
Well, he says you have to watch what you eat. What?
0 points.
0 points for who?
You.
For me? I'm not the one that said it. The doctor did. He said
Mom.
you've got to watch what you eat.
Mom,
Huh?
1 minus.
1 minus. He said no McDonald's.
1 minus again.
It's not me. It's the doctor.
Those are your points for the last 3 weeks.
Oh. So now what happens?
You get an F for being mean.
Not being mean.
And telling you get F, 1 minus.
Okay.
You get an F.
Hmm.
F is bad.
Do you get F's in school?
No, I get A's plus.
A pluses?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
Yeah.
What'd you get today on your spelling test?
795.
It wasn't 795 on your test.
No, that's how many I got right.
Oh, okay. But did you even take your spelling test because you were at the doctor today?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Mm-hmm. Earlier. Yeah. I got an A plus in social studies.
Wow.
I did social studies early.
Did you take a nap today?
Nope.
That's good.
I told you no.
Okay. Kyle, that's gross.
Sorry.
Don't do that no more, okay?
That's what happens when you drink Coke.
Well, don't drink Coke.
Happy does it.
No, you don't.
Yeah, it does.
No, you don't.
When he drinks, it's like that stuff. That can.
What can?
He already drinks.
He drinks what?
No, my dad knows.
What? The beer?
Mm-hmm.
Probably don't drink beer.
Yeah, he does.
No, we don't.
Every time he goes to my house, he gets a beer.
But you can't tell Mammy that.
I'm not.
Okay, it's a secret.
Yeah, it's a secret to me and you.
Okay.
Do not tell Kira,
Okay.
but you can tell Daddy.
Oh, okay. What about Miranda?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about Ryan?
Let me think. No. Because he's mean.
He's sweet.
He gives me wedgies.
Oh, he does not.
One time, he went to the hill and he pushed me in a mud puddle.
He did not do that.
Yeah, he did. A long time ago, we seen Mammy and Pappy.
I think you tell him stories.
That's true.
It's true.
I've seen it. I was so mad. I punched Ryan in the nuts.
Kyle, that's not nice.
Then I just ran home.
Wow.
And I told Dad, Ron just pushed me in a mud puddle, and my dad gave Ryan a beating right in the face.
Oh, I do not believe that at all.
He did.
He
A
did.
long time.
Did Ryan bleed?
No, his nose was bleeding.
It was?
Right to here.
Oh. Wow.
For a week.
For a week?
Yeah, 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Wow. Daddy must have hit him hard.
Yeah, I hit him right in the balls. And his nuts was like a big bruise.
Oh,
Not
God.
to Ryan.
I won't. Well, evidently he knows if you did it.
If you call him, I'll give you another F.
Oh, I don't want another F. I like A's.
Okay? If you don't tell him, I'll give you an A+. I'll give you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll see you on the phone with Ryan. F.
So I can't ever call Ryan?
No, do not tell Ryan about that part. I kicked him right in the nuts.
Okay. But if you did it, evidently he knows already, right?
Did. I did.
Then why can't I say something?
For Christmas,
Uh-huh.
I'm getting a phone.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
What are you going to do with it? Who you going to call?
Kevin?
Kevin?
Yeah. I'm going to put his phone number on it.
Who else are you going to call?
David and Kyle.
Oh.
And download games.
Who?
I'm going to download games too.
Oh, download games. Oh. What about Mallory?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is she still your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She has a boyfriend.
I know. She's getting married.
Yeah, I know. We're still friends.
But you're still friends?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So you're not really boyfriend and girlfriend. You're just friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, that's okay. You can still be friends. Are you going to go to her wedding?
No.
No? Why?
I don't know. Maybe later.
Mommy's going to go to her wedding.
Just tell Mallory this is from me, Kyle, to Mallory.
That
Yeah.
what her present is?
Mm-hmm. But give her like a piece of my Skyliner.
For her wedding?
No,
No.
I just want to like one of my
Won't we get her some dishes or something?
no.
No? That's an appropriate wedding gift.
I'll give her like the balls, like balls.
Why would you give her some balls?
No,
What? What?
The one that turns on a card.
Oh, the oh gosh, what are they called? Oh, I can't think. That turns into monster things.
I'm gonna give her one of
I
them.
can't think what those are called.
Just give her one. We have to get a box with like a big like hole.
Okay. What are you gonna get her boyfriend?
One of my cards.
One of your what? Cards?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if this gas station has a frozen pizza, okay?
Okay. This one.
No, right up here.
This one looks closed.